These little steps in your skin prep routine are going to make you feel fresh and put together without even having any makeup on. Let me show you how. Number 1, cleanse as always. Number 2, brows. I trim my brows about once a week. Of course, trim as needed for what's best for you. It's something that makes me feel pretty and put together without having any makeup on. I, of course, use my Tweezerman brow shaping scissors and brush. By the way, Tweezerman is celebrating 45 years of quality and precision, and that is why we are using these beautiful limited edition sapphire Swarovski crystal tweezers today. Okay, so get those remaining few hairs, but be gentle. I recommend holding the brow area taut with your other hand so you're not tugging on this delicate area. These will be in my bag at all times, so thank you very much, Tweezerman. Moving on to the skin. Pro tip, use the Tweezerman reusable makeup remover pads to clean all those stray hairs with a bit of micellar water. I pat in my vitamin C and facial oil before my moisturizer. Don't forget the eye cream. We want the skin to be super hydrated before going in with the Tweezerman stainless steel gua sha. And yes, if you're wondering if gua sha-ing actually works, it does. My skincare routine is not complete without this step. Let it sit in ice beforehand and thank me later. And that is how you're going to feel hydrated, lifted, glowy, and groomed.